Alright guys, I'm here to show you my cold start. It's about 58 degrees outside in the morning. Not too cold for cold start standards. And the car's been sitting for just about 10 or 11 hours, so let's give it a try. Alright, that's usually what happens, and we'll try it again. Cranking a little bit longer. I know it's probably damaging the starter, but let's see if that's what it takes to get it started. Check out that idle, it's super rough. And I'll show you the smoke that's coming out. I can't really see it. Oh, there it is. So it seems like unburnt fuel to me. Definitely smells like it as well. Let's see if the idle smooths out a little bit. So it's still a little bit rough. It usually takes a few minutes until it smooths out a little bit, and then as soon as I start driving, it's fine. So if any of you guys know what's going on, let me know.